Okay guys, so this is day 2 of turning my car into a mobile art project. I have clear coated the fender and I also got the inside. Let me show you guys, it's really cute. The flower decor just makes me like really happy. I'm so excited to drive this now. And so I hadn't said this in the first video, so let me just go ahead and give you guys a quick rundown of everything that's going on. I've replaced both fenders, I've replaced the front bumper, and I've replaced the hood. I had to go and pull those from a U-pull. Cost me about $120, but it was only $2 to get in. So all in all, not too bad for replacing the whole front end of my car. So yeah, follow along with me and we'll see what she turns into.